Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold dropped 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The S&P 500 closed essentially unchanged, retracing early gains just before the close on the penultimate trading day of 2023. All three indexes remained on track for monthly, quarterly and annual gains. Crypto exchange Binance's user base grew 30% in 2023, CEO Richard Teng said, signaling strength as the world's largest cryptocurrency trading venue tries to look past November's settlement with US regulators and the departure of founder Changpeng CZ Zhao. The US dollar continued to weaken against its rivals midweek, with the USD index dropping to its lowest level in 5 months. The USD stays on the back foot as investors await weekly initial jobless claims and goods trade balance data for November.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Purchasing Managers Index will be released at 14:45 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1800 hours GMT, Spain's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 0800 hours GMT. The Dutch retail sales will be released at 0530 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.